Hi everyone, this is Miko Vlogs. If you're new, therapist here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang Cut10 compilation because why not? Hindi pa tayo tapos dito sa Cut10 ha. Ang dami pa talaga na. Oh, ano to?
Sa video ay parang
Ano na naman to? Ewan ko sa'yo. Ewan ko sa'yo, mami. Kwento mo yan sa pagong with feelings. Concern na concern. Kala mo naman. Sabi ko,
yung weakness mo na is love.
oh,
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, oh.
Na-clear na.
Okay na, na-clear na. Baka nilunok niya yung talaba. Totoo ba? Basta ayoko na lang mag-talk. Ganun yun eh. Ay, ano to? Ay, atake sila dito. Mamaya mag-Instagram rin tayo. Dito muna. Uy, ano to? Cut10 forever. Gwapo ni Alden?
We will stay tuned for the official artist announcement very soon.
Gwapo ni Alden, no?
We promise it's going
Nasa McDo siya.
to blow.
Siya yung tulay niya Barbie for SNP. Ikaw.
At this
Kapuan.
we'll now
Halatang
hear
halata.
more from
Gwapo.
our organizer. And we now have one of the festivals created
Ano kita ni Alden
of
dito?
the festival. Let's hear it now from Mr. Alden Richards.
Ayan na, ayan.
What's up, guys? Magandang tanghali po to everyone. On behalf of Myriad Entertainment Corporation, we'd like to thank IME for this, of course, Miss Barbs, for this opportunity to be able to do another big project this year. Actually, this is quite big talaga. When I actually saw the roster of performers already, and right now, one of the reasons why we said yes also to the partnership is the cause that IME is serving, which is supporting local talent. Diba? Parang as producers and as entertainers, diba dapat talaga na yung support na ibigay natin dito sa mga young talents natin sa Pilipinas, dapat dito mismo manggaling sa Pilipinas. Kasi right now, globally, the performers and the rosters, and actually P-pop in general, is being recognized worldwide. So this just goes to show that Myriad is one with that movement of supporting local Filipino talents, and you know, this is also fun for me because I think our last big concert was Eraserheads. That was
May concert.
2 years ago, and right now ito nabigyan ulit you know, Myriad and IME. We entered into a partnership for us to be able to share ideas on how we want to mount this event because IME is not new to
Pag magsalita talaga siya, napaka-female pa rin ako.
especially K-pop concerts. And talagang doon ako natuwa, Miss Barbs.
Hindi po alam mo yung ka-emphasis. You know what I mean?
For Filipino talents to be recognized. And this music festival is the avenue for that.
Diba?
So,
Hindi po yung tindig niya talaga.
performers and yung official list at kung sino sila dahil puro guest ko lang po yung nasa likod natin will be reserved for the Grand Press Con. Actually, this is just a media launch.
Media
for the music
launch.
festival that mangyayari siya.
Ang busy naman ni Alden.
Actually,
Ang dami. Ang dami namang ganap ni Alden.
to deliver something new.
Ang busy naman ni Alden.
Kasi syempre, maraming producers, maraming nagpo-perform, maraming
Oops.
and the appetite of the Filipino market when it comes to concerts are really high when it comes to standards. So we're here to deliver. We're here to give a good show to our audience. We're very excited, and this is gonna be one of the biggest music festivals of the year, and hopefully magkaroon ulit next year because that's the long-term plan. We want this to be yearly. Sana. So parang isa dun sa mga, of course meron na rin tayong mga festivals na ganyan, but yun lang, parang merong nilook forward yung mga Filipino
Okay.
fans of the
Mga plano ni Alden. Sabi, producer na din pala talaga siya. What's this? Ano to? Ay, mga throwback. Hello. Tell me that you love me. Bye-bye. Ano ba? Ay. Tell me that you're in love without telling me that you're in love. Yan yung sinasabi ko. At least, Ano naman yung sinasabi mo? Ulitin natin. Sexy ni Kat. Tsaka, hindi mo talaga maalis na yung todo alalay talaga natin si Alden sa kay Kat. Ano? Ay, ito, ano to? Couple. Tinangan natin yung Catherine Bernardo. Ang page ni Catherine Bernardo kung ano yung kung may story siya dito. Tapos hindi mo makikita ang story siya sa ano. Ay! Ano to? Okay, anyways. What's next? Wala pa din. Tagal na to eh. Sa akin si Alden. Tingnan natin si Alden kung ano at akin ni Alden. Tapos sa Instagram tayo makikichismis. Wala na nga tayong time sa TikTok eh. Totoo lang. Hindi na tayo. September 26 pa to. Diba? Wala masyado. Okay, punta tayo sa Instagram. Tingnan natin yung Instagram nila. Mag-i-Instagram rate tayo. Ito, Instagram posting. Ito. Tingnan natin yung posting. Ay, ito may post. Stretching lang. Ay, bago lang ito. October 3? Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Ay, Kat. Happy lang. Happy lang siya. Chill lang si Catherine. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Ito yung photo niya. Pero tingnan natin sa mga tag kasi ito pala yun. Congratulations for the Asia's Superstar. Ito pala yun. So this is the story all about. Yes. Asa si Alden? Wala si Alden. Walang Alden. Ito.
Hey everyone! And today I'm not alone.
Kailan ba ako huling nag-cut din? Bakit ngayon ko lang ito nakita?
Same treatment ginawa sa amin ni Mama.
Ganda ni Kat?
This is our first time trying the Ivy Perfect.
The Ivy Perfect.
Yes, you're very glowing. So how's the
Si Mami
treatment?
Mil.
Very quick, no? Very quick.
Si Mami Mil.
This is good for your pores, Mama. To minimize your pores and para extra bright yung skin. So, let's see. So, I did that as well because as you all know, naman, all my favorites here in Ivy, but Gentle Laser Pore is one of my faves. And this one is a bit similar to that. So, that's it for our Ivy days. So, if you have
Punta tayo ngayon kay Alden. Ito talaga si Alden. Malapit dito ka na yung mga ni Alden. Hindi pa nyo nakita. Hindi pa tayo nakapag nakipag-ke. Ito, cutie ni Alden. Cutie yan yung nagmakdo sila together with Barbie. Together with Barda. Hey, hello. CR Sago. Si Alden, no? Atake ka dyan, Alden. Atake kung atake. Diba? Nakamute pala. This is for today's video. This is Kujibo Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.